What's going on, Go Viral Sisters family? In this video, we are going to do a reaction to CEO of TikTok explaining the algorithm. I have put out to my community numerous times how the algorithm works, to hear it from the CEO himself. Without further ado, let's jump in. Give me one second. Oh. Let me know if you all can hear. All right.
The recommendation algorithm is really just math. So, for example, if you like videos 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I like videos 1, 2, 3, and maybe he liked videos.
If you like 1, 2, 3, and video 1, 2, 3, and 5,
1, 2, 3, and 6. Now what's going to happen is, because we like 2, 3 at the same time, he's going to be shown 4, 5, 6, and so are we. And you can think about this repeated at scale in real time across more than 1 billion people. AI and machine learning has allowed this to be done at a very, very big scale.
One thing that I would say is TikTok has one of the best algorithms out there. The ability to post a video and be before numerous millions, billions of people is mind-blowing to me, and this is why it is going to remain the #1 platform that I use to grow my business, and the #1 platform that I teach business owners and entrepreneurs to leverage. Because unlike Instagram, with Instagram's algorithm, your followers have to comment on your videos, like your videos, and things of that sort in order for you to get on the explore page and to be placed on someone else's feed. Get in the comment section and let me know if this is something that you commonly see on Instagram. Every single time I go on Instagram, I see the same 10 people. I have 2 pages. One page has 2,000 followers, one has 8,000 followers. I constantly see the same 10 people. And I'm not going to stop liking their content because I follow them for a reason. I like their content, but I would like to see more of the people that I follow. I don't like the fact that if you comment on content on Instagram, they're going to continue to place that person in front of your feed. But here's why, if I was a CEO of Instagram, I would have a problem with that. I only spend about maybe 5-10 minutes on Instagram. At the most, you will probably get 20 minutes out of me on a good day. But at the most, 5-10 minutes is all I'm giving. And not even that, I'm being very, very generous. On TikTok, you might get a strong 45 minutes out of me. Okay. That algorithm is just so good. And I always tell people, you have the ability to curate your feed. When you like videos, like he stated, they're going to place more videos like that in front of you. Okay. Every single video is being tested, and he's going to explain it a little bit further. Let's get back to the clip.
It learns the interest signals that people exhibit very quickly and shows really relevant for you in a very quick way.
That's why I said you can dictate what shows up on your For You feed by liking and commenting on other people's video. They are going to recommend that you might be interested in, and like he said, it is going to be producing this on a very fast pace. The objective of any social media platform is to keep you on the app. That's how they make their money. People spend money on ads when they know that you have a user base. According to the stats, the average user spends about 1 hour to 3 hours on TikTok a day. Okay. And believe it or not, when they first came out, yes, it was very dominant with the preteen age, but you are starting to see more of the 25 through 35 our numbers are starting to increase. So there are more adults on TikTok than teens.
The thing here is that we don't actually ask you 20 questions on whether you like a piece of content, what are your interests. We don't do that. We build that experience organically into the app experience. So you are voting with your thumbs, by
like I was saying, every single time you hit that like button, he's going to say it.
Watching a video, by swiping it.
Exactly. Watch time. When it comes to growing your TikTok account and gaining followers, how long people watch your videos is the number one metric that I like to teach the community. How to increase your watch time. If you have a 15-second video and people are watching 8 seconds of that video, that's a good watch time. If you have now TikTok is pushing more longer form content as they are opening up windows to post 3-minute and 10-minute videos. And with TikTok series, they're allowing you to put videos on the platform up to 20 minutes. You have to be invited to that. I have a video on TikTok Shop that you guys can look at on my page in the playlist Grow Your Business Leveraging Social Media. Go to that playlist and you'll find my video on the steps to take to get TikTok series, to get TikTok Shop, and all of the new features. But the point I'm getting at is watch time. How long are people watching your videos?
By liking it, by sharing it, you are basically exhibiting interest signals. And what it does mathematically is to take those signals, put it in a formula, and then matches it through pattern recognition. Basically the idea behind it.
Hey, in a nutshell, he just broke down the TikTok algorithm for those of you that were wondering how are videos recommended, how can I get more of better content on my feed, how can I ensure that my content is going on the For You page in front of my targeted audience. Well, again, watch time, making a video that is engaging, making a video that makes the viewer wants to stop and listen and watch what it is that is being presented before them. Okay, all of those things matter. So if you like the fact that I'm doing these reaction videos and you want me to do more, get in the comment section and let me know. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are a part of the Go Viral Central's family, go ahead and put fam in the chat so I know where you at. Again, this channel is totally centered around helping you grow your following, build a community that monetize, increasing your digital footprint online, all right? And doing it in a way that is organic so you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on ads, something that you're not familiar with, but you're trusting someone to give you results. A lot of times when it comes to those ad agencies and people who are telling you that they can, run these ads for you, they're telling you right off the back it's not a guarantee. I believe that I am the only person doing this and offering a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't see results in your business or your account. All right. So check out some of my courses that I have so that you can grow and monetize on the #1 app on social media. Can you take some of the information that's provided in my course and let it be interchangeable between Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook? Absolutely. I've had customers that said they take my advice and use it on YouTube for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and Facebook groups. The reason they can do that is because I teach at the lowest level. I like to teach in a manner that you can understand and comprehend, and that will build a foundation for your online marketing. If you don't have the steps 1 through 3, you can't get to step 6 where you're generating 10K a month. You have to learn how to dictate whether there's a new algorithm or new features. You shouldn't have to come back to me, your coach, and say, hey, coach, is there a new algorithm? The things that I teach you in the course is going to allow you to be able to point out, okay, I normally post at this time, and I've been doing that. My views have decreased. There must be a new algorithm, or there must be new features that came out that is causing a shift in the time frames that people are on the app. Again, summertime is coming up. The watch time may increase, so you might want to double down, and you may see an increase on your videos during different hours of the day. You may go live at night and your lives have a lot of people. But during the summertime, that changes. You need to be able to look at your data and look at your profile and identify these changes and what you need to do in order to get back on top of the algorithm, what you need to change in order to get your views back where they used to be or better. If your sales decrease, if you're getting a lot of website views but no sales, something is wrong. And again, in my course, I'm going to break down all the things that you can look at to determine what direction you should take, and also the steps for many different directions that you can take in order to get back on track with promoting your business online and generating a consistent stream of income. Again, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.